right now I'm on the east side also of Panama City Beach. This is a Texaco gas station that is about to come down. There you can see it. Very big time wind. Winds gusting over 130 miles an hour, likely even stronger than that. And you can just see large chunks of debris hammering this awning at the gas station. Our vehicle is bouncing up and down. We've got a bit of a shelter upstream too. We are not, oh, there's another piece of debris, sheet metal flying through the air all over the place out here. This is an absolute monster hurricane. You can see just a whiteout, horizontal